I'm ANIKA. How may I assist you?
First, log on to www.ibpo.com.my and click Ask ANIKA. You'll be redirected to chat.ibpo.com.my. A privacy notice pop-up will appear. Click on the highlighted privacy policy to read more. Then click Continue. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a section to fill in your personal information. Select your preferred language if you like. Enter your name, email address, and phone number, then click Start. This is important for verifying your details. You will receive an OTP SMS. Enter the 4 OTP digits and click Verify OTP. If you need to change your number, click Change Number and then click here to change the OTP verification type. Next, you'll be prompted to select the solution you're interested in. IBPO survey, applying for a new job, refinancing your house, getting extra cash and reducing commitments, purchasing a house property, or applying for financial products with a referral code. Select the solution you want, continue chatting, and answer the following questions. Enjoy! I hope it was an insightful session for you to discover more about the ANIKA chatbot and how you can easily get any financial solutions through ANIKA. Thanks for watching!